hope you all are doing good. In today's video, let's talk completely about the basic tools that we're gonna use in Adobe Illustrator. This is completely a beginner's tutorial where you're gonna learn the use of each of these components. The complete tutorial and explanation for each of the components will be provided in the next part of the videos. Let's get the video started. So these are some of the basic tools that are present in Adobe Illustrator. So this is the selection tool, which is used to select each of the part of an object. So this is the direct selection tool where you're gonna select the whole project and you're gonna do the required functions on that. So this is the magic wand tool, and this is the lasso tool, this is the pen tool which you're gonna use in order to draw something which you like to do, like the shapes. And so this is also a pen tool where using this you can draw curves. This is mainly used to draw the curves and different shapes by using this pen tool. And this is the text tool which you're going to use in order to write some text, whichever you want to write. And this is the line tool which is used to put the straight lines. And next comes, so these are some of the shapes that are provided in Adobe Illustrator which you're going to use in order to draw the shapes like rectangle, circle, stars, polygon tool, star tool, and so on. This is the brush tool which you're going to use in order to draw any objects in form of the brush if you want that effect. So these are the shaper tool, pencil tool, smooth tool, path eraser tool, join tool, and this is the tool which is used for rotation. So for example, if you're drawing one square of the basic shape and you're gonna use this tool in order to rotate. So this is a rotate tool that you're gonna use to rotate any objects. So you can rotate on any angle you wish to do that. And this is the scale tool, and this is the width tool which is used to set the width, and this is the free transformation tool that you're gonna use here. This is the shape builder tool which is used to select, and if you want to delete any shapes, if you want to group any particular shapes that you wanted to do, you can group that and you can delete. So this is the main function of the shape builder tool. Next comes the perspective grid tool. It is used to make the grids of that, and this is the mesh tool which is used to create the mesh, and if you want to delete any particular one you can delete that. And this is the gradient tool. This is particularly used in order to make the shades of the colors, and here you can see that. So these are the gradient tool, and by using this you can select the colors of your required one and any shaded colors you can do, and also you can set the angles and opacity and the location where you want to place it. Next comes the eyedropper tool. This is basically used for coloring. And next comes the blend tool. Next is the symbol sprayer tool. So this is the column tool where it is used to draw the bars and columns. And this is the tool that is used to zoom in and zoom out. And to zoom in and zoom out, alternatively you can use Control plus and Control minus. And this is the hand tool which will be used in order to slide it wherever you want. By this you can slide it up, slide it down, left, right, wherever you want. So this is the color that is filled inside the shapes, and this is nothing but the outline. So you can change the outline color to white and so on. So these are some of the basic tools. So let's go to this horizontal column side. So this is, as I said before, this is the color that is present within this, and this is the outline, and this stroke is nothing but in order to increase the outline size. It is used for that. And this is the shape of the line. You can take it thick, you can make it thin, whatever you want. So this is the basic line, like if you want the sharp line, medium line, and curved line. So these are that. And you can also change the opacity, the style of the line, and this is basically used for alignment. You can do horizontal alignment and horizontal align center. I will show you with one example. Let's take this. Let's take a rectangle here and a rectangle here. You have to select. First thing is you have to select this one and this one. After selecting, if you select this, it will be aligned according to the selected alignment, horizontal alignment. So this is that. And later on, if you come to this part, so these are the properties. Here you can select the x-axis, here you can select the y-axis in terms of pixels, and here also you can select the strokes like the outline thickness. You can take the opacity, and these are the alignment that have showed before. So these are the layers. You can set the layer, you can lock the layer or you can unlock the layer, like you can see it, or you can make it invisible in order to make and also you can create different layers, one layer for creating the outline, other layer for coloring, according to your wish. And these are some of the libraries that is predefined in the Adobe Illustrator. So yeah, that's it. So these are some of the tools that we're gonna use in Adobe Illustrator that is already provided in Adobe Illustrator. And these are the file, edit, object type, select, effect, view, window, and these are some of the basic options that you are going to find in all of the softwares. So that's it guys. I hope you liked this video and I hope you understood at least some of the part. So the more detail of each of the tools will be provided in my upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned guys, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the videos, which will be a great motivation to me and it means a lot. Thank you guys. Have a good day. See you in my next video. Bye bye.